Hi guys, welcome to Cook to Nourish. Today's recipe is that of instant pot Nomato sauce. Nomato sauce means no tomato sauce. So let's see how to make it. It's very easy. I'm using frozen cranberries and frozen cherries, sweetened cherries. So 1/3 cup of cranberries and 1/4 cup of cherries, and then half a cup of pumpkin puree. I'm using canned, you can also use homemade. And then half a cup of water. That's pretty much all the main ingredients, and then we're just going to add a few spices, 1 teaspoon of onion powder and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 whole cinnamon stick, about 1-inch piece. The cinnamon stick is optional, and then half a teaspoon of sea salt. That's about it, and just give it a quick stir. It's not going to mix properly, because I have frozen stuff in there. You can use either frozen or fresh berries, but you can just drop them in. You don't have to thaw in. Instant pot will do that for you. So close the lid, and then if you have it on saute, just press cancel and then press pressure cook, and change manually the cook time to 5 minutes. Also make sure that the valve is in sealing position. After the pressure cooking time is done, you can let the pressure release naturally, or you can release it manually. And this is what it's going to look like, where the berries are cooked well. And now only thing we need to do is discard the cinnamon stick if you've added it, and then blend the mixture. I like to use a hand blender so that I can just put it inside the insert pot itself and be done with it. This results in a slightly chunky kind of mixture, but I'm okay with that. If you want it really fine, you can use a regular blender, but make sure that you cool it down a little bit before you blend. Kind of experiment how much would be great. Now this is really tart, so you can see by the expression in my eyes how tart it is. It's real good tart, so I love to make it tart like this. So then that's my base, and then you can use it in different recipes, right? If you want to make a pasta sauce out of it, then you can maybe mash some other vegetables like carrots or beets that people love, or you can add some more pumpkin, which is in this already, but you can add some more pumpkin puree and then mix with this, and then get it to add other spices like for what you're creating. For example, if you want it as a pizza sauce, you can add some oregano, you can add some extra more garlic, etc., right? And if you're making it for some Mexican chili like what I'm doing here, then you can add some cumin, some oregano. So it's perfect. It's a perfect base for creating a lot of different things. It's great for curries too. So a couple tablespoons, and and then all rest of the curry spices that you can have, and it's a perfect base. Hope you like this recipe. Don't forget to hit like and the subscribe button, and also visit cooktonourish.com for more recipes. Thank you.